Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Power on the Ultra watch and charge it above 50% so the process won't abort. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and open the watch app or Bluetooth settings to start scanning. You'll need your account credentials for activation. Once the watch displays a pairing animation, make sure phone and watch are within a few feet. Do this now so the next steps move smoothly without interruptions or unexpected restarts. Once the watch shows a code, you match it on your phone and tap to confirm. You do this because it verifies the connection and prevents accidental pairing. After confirmation, follow prompts to set a passcode, enable location and health access, and decide if you want Siri and backups. Make choices about app layout and notification mirroring. These affect battery and convenience. Take a moment now to customize notifications and privacy. You finish by allowing the watch and phone to finish syncing apps and data. This can take several minutes depending on content. Test calls, messages, heart and GPS sensors, and cellular if you enabled it to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and retry pairing. If it still fails, reset network settings or erase the watch and start pairing anew. That troubleshooting tip solves most issues quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.